surprise today! We have a super awesome Super Mario cake! Ah! How many of you guys like playing Super Mario? Isn't he so cool? Let's get started. We're gonna start up with our modeling. You know, that means all the little details. It's gonna look so cool. Remember, while you're watching, hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up. And leave us a comment. Tell us who your favorite person to play in the Mario games is. It's gonna look so cool when it's all done. Remember, if you're using sharp tools, don't cut your fingers. Are you ready for a trivia question? Who is the princess in Mario? Do you remember her name? Stay to the end to find out. Or leave us a comment and see if you're right at the very end. Aren't these eyeballs looking so good? Do you like playing Mario Kart and racing a lot? Or how about the balloon game where you have all those awesome balloons on the back and you pop them? Isn't that so cool? Keep going! You know you can always follow along with Play-Doh. That would be so fun! Just don't eat your Play-Doh. That would be yucky. Only eat cake. We got so many little details on our cake today. And stars. We love stars. Aren't stars so cool? This star has eyes. Just like the game. Now a question mark. Don't you just love watching these super awesome videos? Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give us a huge thumbs up and leave us a comment. Make sure you never miss an awesome video. You never know what's coming next. Add your question marks. That's our question box. So cool! Remember, be super careful with sharp knives. This cake is gonna be awesome! Do you know what this is gonna be? The mushroom! Do you like the mushrooms? They make funny noises, huh? And add those eyeballs! It's gonna look so awesome when it's all finished! Cut off all the extras! Lots and lots of details on this cake. It's gonna be a super awesome cake for a super awesome character. Do you have people in your family or friends you like to play video games with? Make sure you tag them in the comments so they can see this super cool video too. Pizza cutter! Pizza cutter makes it super easy to cut. Mario's face. And roll your cake blanket. But we're not going to cover the full cake. You ready for the answer to your trivia question? Who is the princess in Super Mario? It's Princess Peach! Yeah! She's awesome! With her super cool dress. Now we're gonna put our cake together. It's gonna look so cool! Keep going! Mario's so awesome! Who wants a Super Mario cake for their birthday? Or maybe you're more of a Luigi fan! Which one do you like better? So cool looking! Doesn't that look just like his hat? Time to add on the details! It looks so cool! Add those details! Remember, hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Make sure you always have your notifications on so you know when there's a new awesome cake. And his nose. She's looking so good. And his logo. You can't forget his awesome logo. And his mouth. Wow! Doesn't this look so cool?